There are many issues with using a top-down or recursive parsing. When going forward, the parser consumes tokens from the input, so what happens if we have to backtrack? Now, we have to use certain data structures in order to do that, and that's complicated and sucks up a lot of memory. The algorithms that use the backup tend to be, in general, inefficient. There's a lot of recursion, there's a lot of memory storage using the stack. It's a lot of problems when it comes to that. There might be a large number of possibilities before we try finding the right one. Remember some of the examples we had where it tried the possibility but it wasn't even close from the start. But a top-down grammar can limit backtracking if it has one unique starting symbol per rule in each terminal. Here's what I mean. In an example I'm going to go over here a little later, on the left-hand side you'll see that the E production has, well, a couple productions, but they both share the same starting symbol. Now, this is going to be bad for really backtracking or trying to do something predictive. So you'll see on the right-hand side where each production has a unique starting symbol. So if we're looking ahead and, for example, we see a plus, we most likely know it's going to be for production X. It has two options, a plus or the epsilon. We'll use the plus. We'll get into that in a little bit more detail later on. One of the other common problems that we've had is, again, if the grammar rules are left recursive, they lead to non-termination. So we have to convert it to right recursive. That's a pain in the neck. So there's a bunch of issues when we use top-down parsing.